What you want to do is, kailangan tanggalin yung silver skin sa likod. Tapos, i-score siya. Scoring para pumasok yung luto sa loob. But I have to make a Greek rub first. A Greek rub consists of sea salt, and then cracked pepper, very rough. Adjust niyo yung setting ng paminta sa pinakadulo. Third one is called the Greek oregano. What you want to do is, you want to liberally season it, right? And then you go pack it. Then you go baliktad. You want to put a little extra virgin olive oil. Diba? And we're set.
I-pan grill muna ang lamb ribs at pag lumabas na ang brownish color nito, sunod naman na ilagay ito sa loob ng oven for about 10 minutes until well done.
Sumunod si Chef Robbie. Yung ginawa niya parang nakakatensyon na mabunot. Kasi parang complicated yung dish niya.
Last one we'll be doing is the sauce. Now this one it's called the Lado Lemono. What is Lado Lemono? It is a lemon oil dressing.
Sa paggawa ng traditional Greek sauce na Lado Lemono, maghalo lamang ng garlic, mustard, thyme leaves, at extra virgin olive oil sa lemon juice. Season it with salt and pepper. Then mix it using version blend.
Kung gusto nyo, if you wanna invest in something, invest in one of these.
To counter the acidity, finish it with a pinch of sugar.
Ngayon lang din kami nakakita nung Greek specialty ni Chef Robbie na may kasama pa magbe-bake or mag-oven kami ng lamb. At magsasaing kami ng kanin sa loob ng bell peppers tsaka ng kamatis. So talagang sabi namin, ako, ang hirap-hirap na to.
Then you put the Lado Lemon in there. This is my signature dish. This is paidakya, lamb ribs with yemistes, which is stuffed tomatoes.
Ano naman kaya ang masabi ng ating food experts sa nilutong traditional Greek cuisine ni Chef Robbie?
Pero actually, sarap yung dish niya kasi it's Greek food, traditional Greek food na parang lamb ribs, may stuffed pepper.
Robbie was very interesting and para sa akin, kung akong papapiliin, yun ang gusto ko lutuin.
So, tinikman ko yung lamb. Sobrang lambot, sobrang sarap. Kahit salt, pepper lang yung nilagay niya doon, sobrang malasa yung steak. Nakwento ko kay Jazz na parang gusto Greek dish. Kasi pag na-perfect mo yun, bongga, sabi ko.
Susunod, alamin kung paano gawin ang signature dish ng kauna-unang Pinoy executive chef ng bansa na si Chef Boy Logro, ang kanyang duets of lobsters and tenderloin steak. Nagpapasalamat ang Kitchen Superstars sa mga sumusunod. Kasapura, the official headquarters of Kitchen Superstars. Fashion chefs para sa wardrobe ng Kitchen Superstar Cooks and Chefs.
Ang nakaraang